Today we're here at another one of our new listings right in the Surfside Boulevard neighborhood of Cape Coral. We're at 2914 Southwest 38th Terrace. Let's take a look. This has a brand new roof, new pool equipment. The pool's been resurfaced recently and it comes furnished with a few exclusions. Here we have a saltwater canal. We are about 40 to 45 minute boat ride to open water. Pool's been recently resurfaced, new pool equipment, new heater, saltwater pool, new roof. If you'd like this property or any others in the area, would like some more information, you can reach on out. You can reach us at 774-696-7998. Thanks and have a great day.